afternoon, forever watching the welcome back once again to Mickey Maths Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. Come along, what do we have? We have what we call the determinant of a matrix. Now, the determinant of a matrix is the scalar value you get by using a square matrix. And what is a square matrix? A square matrix is a matrix that has the number of rows and columns be equal. It could be a 2 by 2 matrix, it could be a 3 by 3, 4 by 4. So that scalar value you get, or the number you get by calculating a square matrix, is called the determinant. And the determinant of a matrix can be represented by this, or for example, if it's matrix A, this is the determinant of A, or I use this determinant that A, determinant of A. Let's look at a 2 by 2 matrix. For example, I have a matrix A is equals to, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. Or before then, if these are the elements of a matrix, this is A11, A12, A21. These are the elements A22. Now, this is a 2 by 2 matrix. It has 2 rows, 2 columns. The determinant is gotten by the determinant of this matrix. Let's say this is A. Determinant of A will be equals to this A11 element, A11 times A22. Then I will go again, minus element A12 times element A22. So the determinant of this matrix is A11. Let's write this very well. A11 times A22 minus A12 element A12 times A22. So that's the determinant. Let's bring it back here. If you have an example, this is a 2 by 2 matrix. A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the elements. This is first element, row 1, column 1 from here. So this times this, row 2, column 2. So we go like this. So the determinant of A will be equals to 1 times 4 minus, let's go from here, cross the arrow down, minus 2 times 3. Are we following? Okay, so 1 times 4 will be equals to 4. 1 times 4 will be 4, minus 2 times 3 is 6. So 4 minus 6 will give us negative 2. So that's the determinant of this matrix. Let's look at another example. You could have something like this. You could have, let's say, if this matrix is 3, negative 1, 4, and 3. And you asked to find the determinant. This is also a 2 by 2 matrix. Find the determinant. The same way we go. The determinant of B will be equals to this times this. Draw your arrow. The first element, that's row 1, column 1 times this, row 2, column 2. That will be 3 times 3 minus, we go again, this times this. So you have negative 1 times 4. So 3 times 3 is what? 9, minus negative 1 times 4, that's negative 4. So you have negative times negative. This becomes positive. So this is 9 plus 4, which is equals to 13. So 13 is the determinant of this matrix. All right, let's look at further examples. Still on determinant of a matrix. This is a 2 by 2 matrix. We are still dwelling on 2 by 2 matrix, the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. So look at this. This is 4, negative 5, 2, and 7. Just like in our usual style, the determinant of A will be this times this. The first element, row 1, column 1 times this one, the last element, row 2 column 2. So that's 4 times 7 minus this times this, negative 5 times 2. So 4 times 7 is 28. So 28 minus negative 5 times 2 is negative 10. So 28 minus negative 10. So you have negative and negative, they will cancel out. This becomes positive. That's 38. 28 plus 10. So the determinant of this matrix is 38. Let's move to matrix B. The determinant of matrix B is equals to, we go again, this times this, negative 1 times 4, then minus this times this, negative 3 times negative 3. So negative 1 times 4 is negative 4, negative 4, then minus 3 times negative 3, that's negative 9, negative 9. So this becomes negative 4 plus 9, because it's negative and negative, you cancel out, it becomes positive. So that becomes negative 4 plus 9, that's 5. So the determinant of this matrix is 5. All right, I'm going to leave this one for you to do. Tell me the answer in the comment section. Look at, this is C, 3, negative 9, negative 4, and 4. And matrix D, 12, negative 3, 4, negative 7. So tell me the determinant in the comment section. Do let me know your answers. If you enjoyed today's class, why not give us a like, give us a share, tell your friends about the Beginner's Class channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. If there's any aspect of mathematics you are struggling with, put in the comment section and I'll be there to attend to you. Till we meet again. If you are yet to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on wonderful content of the channel. Till we meet again in the next Mickey Mouse class, where we'll look at the determinant of a 3x3 matrix. Keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.